Hey friends, if you wish to clean the C drive on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. It's a little different from other processes of simple disk cleanup. Now here's the thing, search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and then you can check the boxes here and click on OK and delete files. Now this is the normal process. It says cleaning up C drive, but it will need a while. During this time, we will check other folders which are a part of C drive. For example, this one, which is the desktop folder. Do you see any redundant elements here? If them, yes, then delete them. Then you can go to the pictures folder and check if you have any redundant pictures or something. You can delete them. Okay. Then you can go to the downloads folder. Okay. If you see any file or folder which you do not need at all, right click and delete it. Okay, and then you can go to the music folder and check if you wish to delete something from the music folder. And finally the documents folder, I rate it highly. Okay, if you see anything that is redundant here, simply right click and delete it. Okay, for example this one. So this is how you can remove it. So this is how you can free up a lot of space on the C drive. Rest is the space involved with programs. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab and then you can go to this option here which says installed apps and check if there is any app that you can uninstall. For example 7-zip, I can uninstall it. So the more programs you uninstall, the lighter the C drive will be. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.